Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable transparency mode for the headphones Skullcandy Rail. You have to start by open Skullcandy application. Now click on Stay Aware. And right here you have a few options how to enable it. The first one is of course click on it to enable it. And right here you can change a level of the transparency mode. And if you click again, you will disable it. Or you can set Hey Skullcandy, stay aware on. And you will enable it, and if you said Hey Skullcandy, stay aware of, you will disable it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!